We are pleased to show you the 2017 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, tires, front performance, FWD, tires, rear performance, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, mini spare tire. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.